Yo, it looks very dense. Where's the Mirage? It looks miragey.
Even the Mirage got blown away.
It's so windy. The Mirage got blown away. Oh, whatever, man. It's not that windy. That is so dramatic. Don't ride in gale force winds. Rather be safe than sorry, guys.
Don't make unnecessary journeys.
We were meant to jump freestyle ramp today, and obviously the winds are up to like 60 kilometers an hour, which is just gonna be silly no matter how good of a rider you are. I first needed to run in the bike as we did a new top end, which took some time, and the wind was only gonna get worse. So I decided to just do the heat cycles on the bike, on the track, and go home. As much as I need the King of the Whip practice, it's the safe thing to do. Tell YouTube that we've lost a soldier to Hurricane Katrina.
I'm not riding on this track.
We drove to Ford, I picked Brett up. Drove back, picked Jared up. Back to Ford because Brett forgot his bag in his car. So we went back to Ford. Then we came to the track. I'm not riding. It's too windy.
Oh, you make out like there's a little bit of wind. It's howling. The only reason you're riding is to ride
I'm jumping
your bike.
the ramp in this wind.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'm
Let's
not.
date stamp that.
Okay, cool. So we don't really have a YouTube video today because we were supposed to be practicing for King of the Whip. We got a new top end in the bike, and we've got Hurricane Katrina. So we're gonna run in the bike and go back home. Cheers, bro. We're losing another soldier. Why? I feel I'm the only one.
Because you have to ride your bike yet, otherwise you wouldn't be riding.
Yeah, that's so true. Okay. Okay, Pops. I'm gonna go out on the track.
Yes, you triple box those goggles in your kit bag, in your boot bag, in your goggle box.
You don't ride in the wind and then you just start with dad jokes.
We only use Insta360 footage. If he's got a GoPro on there, we don't want the footage. Sorry, we don't take it. Okay, but that's one heat cycle down. Now we got to let the bike cool off for like half an hour, which is super boring. And trying to ride and have fun with the FMX suspension on is impossible. These forks are like concrete. It doesn't feel like they absorb any bump whatsoever. So yeah, I'm just having a great time running the bike in. One more to go, and then we can just go home and just get excited for next week's King of the Whip practice at Jungle Rush compound.
It's intermission time, folks. And now, on with the show.
Life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes. You need to be free. Eh.
Move, move, body, move, move your body till you can move, move, body, move, move your body till you can.
You're running through my mind with a shotgun. I'm running out of time, but I'm not done. Yeah, I don't need a run, it will come to me. I don't need a fight, but I keep moving, keep moving. Even what I lose, yeah, I keep moving. Put on my shoes, yeah, I keep moving. There's no room to refuse. Don't you mess with us, we're not afraid. Look at us, no, there is nothing to discuss. I'm not okay, but I'll get up. I know the way, no, I won't stop. I know the scheme, I won't give up. It takes some time to reach the top. Let's take a break, here comes the drop.
Move, move, body, move, move your body till you can move, move, body.
I reckon it's 18 meters. Okay, so we're done with the heat cycle. I feel like the bike's run in. Is this gonna fall over? Should be fine. We obviously can't practice because of this hurricane. Bike's run in, ready for Jungle Rush. But the 2 times we have practiced, I feel like we've had 3 different measurements. We've had 18, 20, and 21, and 20.5. So I bought a tape measure so we can actually see where it is we actually got to, so that I know for myself moving forward. You're gonna have to walk up and around. No, that doesn't look very far. Yes, it's windy up here. I don't know if anyone's gonna hear anything from the mic. I feel like we're shooting a National Geographic show. But the final measurement is 19.7. So basically where we were landing was 20. Which sounds right in my head because we needed to move it back 2 more meters. Okay, and that concludes our National Geographic at Zone 7. FMX ramp is at 20 meters. We're gonna hop on the ferry and get back home. Thanks everybody for watching this boring ass video. Sorry we couldn't practice King of the Whip. Peace out, yo.
2, 3.